Welcome to a video by Abron. This is digital kymograph with the attachment of muscle chamber. This is a muscle lever. This one is a muscle lever. This is muscle clamp, X block stand, and this comes as a setup also. And you can attach here. We are attaching as a sample just one muscle as a simulation of this as a thread, and there is an adjustment here. We can adjust this and screw this all this tight, and then when it is attached to this, the movement will be there of this muscle. And then I'll just show you. This is to be attached to the, when any muscle is given, does not require this section does not require stimulation. You can attach a stimulator also to the muscle. You can give a signal to the muscle, but generally it is this medicine is given, and then contraction can be seen. And when this contracts and reacts to this muscle, there is a movement in muscle movement, and you can record this muscle movement on the kymograph. You can attach a gel pen also, front cut, and attach it to the front, and this records, and the paper is to be attached on this drum. Adjustment, all these drum working, etc. you can see separately by a separate video. And these parts, there is a screw for muscle attaching, X block, you can attach it. There are two sections for putting this, all these screws, and this is for muscle lever. This is for attaching as far as the movement is concerned. Whenever there is a signal, muscle contracts with the distilled water or chemical, this muscle can be recorded and seen. Share the videos, like the videos. Our WhatsApp number is 99922222049, and email is abron01@gmail.com, info@abronexports.com, website is abronexports.com. You can order these. This set is going to the foreign country, and you can attach this and subscribe to the channel. Whenever there is a movement, there is there, it will record the change of the time. You can record it with this time, or you can use the start. You can give a signal also to any of this muscle also. Generally medicine is given. Subscribe the videos, like the video, share the video.